My name is Shawn. I'm from a little town called Dixie. I now live in Beckley. I had an all-in-X put in, and I have scheduled appointments to have my bottom teeth fixed as well. I was on a ladder that had fell. I landed on a concrete driveway and busted all kinds of teeth. I think there was 6-7 damaged all at once, and I had 16 stitches right here. And over time, the teeth just they got worse and worse. And it came to a point where I wasn't smiling anymore. I wasn't myself. I lost my confidence. It changed who I was.
Shawn has battled with broken teeth from injuries from construction accidents to work accidents. So a fixed solution was the best option for him.
The only option I had was to have my top teeth pulled, and I had to either get dentures or have nothing, or this all-in-X procedure, which it's just like normal teeth. And I chose Travis and Ben. I chose them because I've had a relationship with Travis for over 20 years. I was already seeing him before the accident, trusted him with everything. So we got the all-in-X, and now for the future, I've already got procedures lined up for my bottom teeth. During the procedure, I was extremely nervous, of course. I didn't know what the outcome was going to be. I didn't know the pain that it was going to cause. Everybody's nervous to go to a dentist. It was one of the best things. I told my wife I would literally have that surgery done once a week for the rest of my life if I had to have the smile that I have now. The pain was nothing compared to the reward that you have. It was absolutely life-changing. Whenever I came awake from the procedure and first noticed my smile, I can't describe that feeling.
So the main thing I noticed after Shawn received his new smile was a twinkle and glow in his eye. I mean, he smiled. He was always reluctant to talk, shy, bashful, kind of kept his hand over his mouth. He kind of guarded himself. Now it's all smiles and happiness. He's recently become married and hoping to start a family.
I'd be lying if I didn't say it made me tear up. I mean, I've changed so much. You become someone that you're not even aware of. You start hiding your smile. You don't want to be around people. You're always trying to figure out how to cover up the issues. It was extremely embarrassing. And whenever I look in the mirror now, my teeth look exactly like they did before the accident. They are so imperfect, they feel perfect. I promise you, it's the best decision you will make. It's not even a debate. It will change your life. You'll be 100% grateful if you do it.
Cases like Shawn's are so rewarding to me because, everything's changed in a day. A lot of our patients come in and may have not worn a denture, have a denture, have broken teeth, and they just have a new confidence, a new outlook on life. It's life-changing.
I am so grateful for all the people here, Travis and Ben, they've changed my life. I'm confident. I'm back to my normal self. I smile all the time, where I was just previously hiding everything. I couldn't even show my real emotions. Man, I'm truly grateful, and they will never understand how they have improved my life in every aspect.